Thursday.
Oh.
Why is Perry behind me?
We were talking about organizing
Doesn't
the
have a
beach day on
spot
Saturday.
over there. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I need this. I need this pillow. Oh, here, let me. There we go. Now we fit. Yes, we kind of fit. Okay. Okay, that's better.
Okay, well.
Girl, why are you licking me? Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. The Little Engine That Could by Waddy Piper. Oh my god, pancake. Stop it. Chug, chug, chug. Puff, puff, puff. Ding dong, ding dong. The little train rumbled over the tracks. She was a happy little train. Her cars were filled with toy animals, giraffes with long necks, teddy bears with almost no necks at all, and even a baby elephant. There were dolls and the funniest little toy clown you ever saw. But that was not all. Some cars were filled with good things for boys and girls to eat, and lollipops for after-meal treats. The little train was carrying all these wonderful things to the little boys and girls on the other side of the mountain. She puffed along merrily. Then, all of a sudden, she stopped. She simply could not go another inch. Her wheels would not turn.
Oh no, everyone's leaving.
Let's see what happens. Here comes the shiny. Oh, wait, hold on. No. We must have skipped a page. Can't be right. Oh, okay. That's okay. Here comes the shiny new engine, said the little clown who jumped out of the train. Please, shiny new engine, won't you pull our train over the mountain? Our engine has broken down, and the boys and girls on the other side won't have any toys to play with or good food to eat unless you help us. Girl, for real? Why are you like this? But the shiny new engine snorted. I pull you. I am a passenger engine. My train has sleeping cars and a dining car with waiters. I pull the likes of you. Indeed not. And off he steamed. Soon, the little clown called out, Look, a great big strong engine is coming. Please, big engine, cried all the dolls and toys, won't you pull our train over the mountain? I have just pulled a train with big heavy machines. I am very important. I won't pull the likes of you. And the big engine puffed off. The little train and all the dolls and toys were very sad. The big engine is not the only one in the world, cried the little toy clown. Here comes another. He looks very old and tired, but our train is so little. Perhaps he can help us. What do you think is going to happen? Let's see. But the rusty old engine sighed. I am so tired. I must rest my weary wheels. I cannot pull even so little a train as yours over the mountain. I cannot. And off he rumbled. Now the dolls and toys were ready to cry. But the little clown said, Here comes a little blue engine, a very little one. Maybe she will help us. Do you think she's going to help?
Yeah.
The very little engine came chugging merrily along. What is the matter, my friends? She asked kindly. Will you pull us over the mountain? Cried the dolls and toys. Our engine has broken down, and the good boys and girls on the other side won't have any toys to play with or good food to eat unless you help us. I'm not very big. I've never been over the mountain. but I think I can. Well, I think I can. I think I can. And the little blue engine hitched herself to the train. She tugged and pulled and pulled and tugged, and slowly, 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 they started off. Puff, puff, chug, chug, went the little blue engine. I think I can, I think I can, I think I can, I think I can. Up, 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 faster and faster the little engine climbed until at last they reached the top of the mountain. Hooray, hooray, cried the little clown and all the dolls and toys. The good little boys and girls in the city will be happy because you helped us. And the little blue engine smiled and seemed to say as she puffed steadily down the mountain, I thought I could, I thought I could, I thought I could. The end. I love that story.
Why?
Because it's a story about helping other people, and it's also a story about persistence, because that person, the first train got broken down and it needed help, but it had to ask 3 people before somebody would help it. Do you need help, love? You want me to get that out of your hair? Okay. All right. And so sometimes the person that you ask first is not the right person, and you've just got to keep going, and that's okay. I like that for this story. I also like that they help each other. I like that the little blue engine is not sure that she's strong enough, and she says, but it's important for me to help you. And so she tries. She tries, and even though it was hard and she had to work pretty hard and puff and chug pretty hard, she did it. So I like that story a lot.